This is a demo of my custom garage door opener app. This is the icon on the screen for the web app. When you press it, there's a little splash screen. It's made to look like the iPhone dial pad, and it's made to behave like an actual garage door keypad. You can see when you press a number, it'll time out after a moment, a lot like the keypads will. For starters, just put an invalid pin, get some feedback from it, invalid pin. And you can see the garage door is reporting as closed, and here it is closed. Put in a valid pin, and see it says it's opening. Of course, if I put the same pin back in, it'll shut the door, but it's got an interesting little feature for our cat. It'll automatically crack the door so he can come in and out at night as he pleases. The program will detect when the door has shut, and it will automatically reopen it. Only just a couple inches, as you can see. Up here, I've got a Honeywell 958 magnetic contact switch. That's one side, and there's the other side of it. And on this side is where I connected wires going into where the button actually connects that you have on the wall. Right there. And the same contacts to connect to that button, I have some Ethernet wire going into the garage door opener, and I'll show you the other side of that. This is the ByVac BV4626. It's the USB I/O board I use to control the garage door. Right here are the relays that kind of simulate the button press, and up here are the inputs that detect when the Honeywell 958 is opened or closed. And if I put in a valid pin, you'll hear the relays open and close. The front end I demonstrated earlier was all in JavaScript, and on the back end I'm using Apache on the web server with PHP and the php-serial class to communicate with the ByVac. I wanted to be able to also show the front end on a normal browser. It's protected by SSL and requires client certificates. Here's where Firefox is asking which certificate to use. If you try to say cancel, you'll get an error message like this one. But if you give the correct certificate, it gives you the exact same interface that you see on the phone, and of course behaves the exact same way. Well, that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Thanks.